You did it again. You passed the prop from challenge again. And you see the email get log into your live account, and you feel like you hit it. The one said that this time you think it's you on the go, and this time it's gonna be different. And then a few weeks after, maybe a few days after, maybe even the same day, poof, the funding account is gone. The dream of big payout is was very familiar to everybody. That basically vanished through rules of violation, and then you get the following email on the rules of violation. And if you're stuck in the cycle of passing, getting funded, and then blowing up, you should listen to this closely. It's not because you don't know how to trade. You already proven that you can. It's basically you haven't mastered the discipline. But what if I could force you to have a risk management of a stone cold professional? In this video, I'm going to show you a completely free tool that acts as your professional risk management manager, making it nearly impossible to blow out your account. It's this time it's time to break out the payphone cycle for good and final way to get the payout that you deserve. So let's be brutally honest for a second. The reason most traders fail isn't a secret. A terrible strategy it is. It's completely lack of structure when the pressure hits on. It's a pure psychological pressure. The one if one is big, unexpected losses makes you think that. You just need to make it back. Suddenly, the entire trading plan is going to trash. That's, my friend, is revenge trading, and if it's happened to have a certain amount of account killer, we call it the account killer. Maybe it's just a flip of a side. The killer week, you throw a few grains up, and then overconfident monster call it kicks in. You started thinking that you're untouchable, so you double the size. Ignoring your own rules and give back every single dollar that you profit, and then some in a single one afternoon. It's about executing a distance strategy with relentless, boring, and professional discipline. Prop firms aren't trying to set you up to fail. They're setting you up to trade like an actual money manager. Those rules, like daily drawdown and maximum loss, aren't setbacks or obstacles. They are just call it guideline to keep your professional trading ongoing and not getting break. It means if your account equally call it even momentarily dips onto by a 4,000 or 5,000, you get out. This rule aren't a trick. They're not here to trick you. They'll force you to manage risks in every single trade. They're testing one of the all about sense that your ability to protect the firm's capital. The biggest mental trap is thinking that you need to make it all back right here, right now. But it is the game changer. Many of the top prop firms remove the 30-day time limits to pass a challenge. It means that you have to be patient. How you call it, the patience is the ultimate weapon. The game has shifted from speed sustainability to trade. To call it the traders who gets this and show down. There are ones who are the basically whoever masters this is the one who's going to get paid. The key is to finally move emotional gambling from logical and rule-based trading.